In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door sensors on your 2012 to 2017 Hyundai Accent. It's a pretty straightforward process and only takes about a few minutes to replace both the sensors. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you open the rear side door because this is a slightly easier one. All you need is a T-30 screwdriver bit. T-30. If you can get a ratchet along with it, it makes the job much easier because that screw is a little bit tight. So just get the ratchet, get the bit, take this one screw out, and then all you have to do is just get the sensor off of the electrical connector there. There's not a lot of wire length to play around with, so just be careful. So do exactly as I'm doing. You press down on the electrical connector with your one finger and take the sensor out. Make sure you don't lose it. Make sure the electrical connector doesn't go in the body, because then it's a bit of a hassle to get it out, right? So hold it with one finger there, right? Give it support, get the new door sensor, and simply plug it in. And that is pretty much it. Once you're done, just tighten the screw. Now it's the exact same process for the front side one as well, except the only difference is that there's even less of length of wire over there. So it makes it much easier to lose the electrical connector in the body. So that's the only thing you have to be careful of. Exact same process, clip it, unclip it. Now when you're trying to put it back, that's when the more difficult part is. So get the screwdriver bit and shove it in their back to prevent the electrical connector from going in. And that's the only trick. Once you clip it back in, put the door sensor back in the body, tighten the screw, and you're done.